gravitation was asked in JEE in 2022. There is an object is taken to a height above the surface of Earth at a distance of 5 by 4 r from the center of the Earth. So this is from the center of the Earth. It is at a height of 5 by 4 r from the center. Okay. Where radius of Earth r is 6400 kilometers. So this radius of the Earth is given as 6400 kilometers. The percent decrease in the weight of the object will be. Okay. So the percent decrease in the weight will be same as the percent decrease in the value of g at this height. And the height from the surface of the Earth, if we calculate, then this h will be equal to this 5 by 4 r, that is from the center of the Earth. This is the distance minus radius r, that will be the height of the object from the surface of the Earth. So this will be r by 4. Okay, now we have to find the value of g at a height from the surface of the Earth at r by 4. Okay, so the height from surface of Earth is r by 4. Now the value of g at a height h is given by g into m upon r plus h whole square, where h is the height from the surface of the Earth. So gm can be replaced by gi square, and this will, if we take r common, it will be r square into 1 plus h by r whole square. So g prime will be equal to g, r square will get cancelled out upon 1 plus h by r whole square, and we know this h equal to r by 4. So h by r will be 1 by 4. So this g prime will be g upon 1 plus 1 by 4 whole square, that will be g upon 5 by 4 whole square, that is 25, and here 16. So 16 by 25 into g. Now we have to find the percentage decrease in weight, that is the percentage decrease in g, is g prime minus g upon g, that is the percentage change in g. So this will be, the g will get cancelled out, and it will be 16 by 25 minus 1 upon 1, that is, okay, so this will be minus this 9 divided by 25. Okay, and in percentage, if we multiply by 100, then we will get the percentage change in value of g, that will be minus 36%. That means the value of g will decrease by 36%. So A option is correct. Thank you.